Welcome to Vidnoz Beginner's Guide. Today, I'm going to tell you how to create and publish your own template. Click on the Vidnoz AI at the top, and then the Create button at the top right corner. Then click on the Start a Blank button in the popped-up window. Click on Material button and search a picture for the background. Click on Avatar button to add an AI model as your narrator. Add other information like caption and lines as you want. After inputting the content, save your changes at the top right corner. Back to the home page and you'll see your saved creation here. You can duplicate it when you want to reuse it or make some changes to it afterwards.